In this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Creator Fund not showing up on TikTok. First open up the TikTok app. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on these three lines at the top right. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down. Select Report a Problem. Select TikTok Balance. Scroll down and select Other. Again select Other. Tap on Dislike. And select Need More Help. Now you can report this issue to TikTok. Type in something similar to this. If you have a screenshot or something related to this, attach it. Once you are done, simply tap on Submit. So now TikTok will respond back to you in a couple of days.